welcome to the Money Moves studio. This week we're talking all things arbitrage. So Paul, what is arbitrage?
Ingrid, arbitrage is when there's a product that's trading at different prices in different markets. So somewhere in the world this product is a little bit cheaper and somewhere it's a little bit more expensive, and all that you do is you take advantage of that price difference where you buy it in the cheaper market and then sell it in the more expensive market, and then you make a profit, and you keep doing that over and over and over again. That is arbitrage.
Okay, so what you're explaining to me is I can imagine it, but also I need an example. Please give me an example.
Alright, an example. Okay, so let's take a packet of knickknacks. I love knickknacks. So let's say in South Africa, a packet of knickknacks is 15 Rand a packet in Spar or 7-Eleven. In America, that same packet is $1, right? $1 at the moment is roughly 18 Rand. So in South Africa, it's 15 Rand. In America, it's $1 or 18 Rand. So what can you do here, theoretically? You can buy all the knickknacks, put it on a plane for 15 Rand, put it on a plane, send it to America, and then sell it at 18 Rand a packet. And you would make 3 Rand profit per packet of knickknacks. So that is arbitrage using my favorite chippies, knickknacks.
And is there any other real life examples that you can give me that doesn't constitute flying over knickknacks to America?
Yes, of course. So people do it all the time. I mean, for example, they do it with, from China, people do it with like golf clubs and golf equipment, buy it there for cheaper, sell it in South Africa for a little bit more expensive. There's watches. Gold. I saw a TikToker the other day go to Dubai, buy gold there, and come to South Africa and sell it a little bit more expensive. So you can do it with anything, even on Facebook Marketplace. Maybe there's someone who needs a bike and someone who wants a bike, and you just play middleman. You buy the bike at a cheaper price, sell it for a more expensive price, and you make that little bit of profit.
So arbitrage is the method, and then you can use any asset to actually use to utilize the method.
Exactly. So it doesn't need. It's not like you're investing in the underlying asset. It's not like you're investing in this bike and you hope that the price goes up. You just need the product to be priced differently, and you buy and you sell. That's that. Online Pokemon cards, rugby tickets, gold, sports equipment.
So what do you use arbitrage for now? Because I can't imagine you going around Facebook Marketplace looking for a red bike.
Ingrid, no, I'm not sitting on Facebook Marketplace. Well, not for that reason at least. So there is a way that we are doing it that's very fast, very cheap, and scalable, in the sense that you can do it over and over and over very, very fast. And that is, I'm going to tell you in the next episode.
He'll do that every time. See you tomorrow.